How to fix YouTube video automatic pause problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix YouTube's video automatically pausing whenever you're trying to watch a video. So there is a really simple fix for this problem, so let's get started. The first thing that you will need to do is open up your YouTube. After you've opened up your YouTube, you will need to head over to your settings. To head over to that very settings, head over to the U page on the bottom right corner first. Tap on the settings icon on the top right. And now you're on the settings. From here, you will see the general setting. Head over there. And there you should see an option that says remind me to take a break. Now you'll simply need to turn this off. And now your video won't automatically pause. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and bye-bye, take care.